You gave your woo-wee before I started doing it.
I know. I should have. Woo-wee.
I see. That's a good. You have a good like YouTube reaction voice. Like you could be like, like if you did that and turn it into a laugh. Oh my gosh, million subs.
I need to do that.
Yeah,
that's all that's standing between me and a million subs.
I hung out with Richard Rick. He did like a laugh like that.
No
I
way.
can't. I threw my voice out like 5 years ago, screaming at a student conference, and so now I can't go. That's as high as I can get. My voice is literally. I think I've charred my.
You know what my catch? You know what's going to send us over the top? My catchphrase.
Stay smart.
We haven't got any time for this Mickey Mouse bull squash. Yes.
I will not end a podcast unless you say stay smart.
No, I know. Listen, listener. Hey, welcome to the Tyler and Neil
Welcome
Explain.
to Confusion.
We're explaining the news right now.
Yeah.
So we're going to explain the news, but we're working on my catchphrase at the end. But I think we cracked the code. Tyler and I have worked on it. Every time I've driven the car, I'm not even joking about this. Driving the car to work and to home at the grocery store, I have been practicing this in the car by myself.
Stay smart.
No, it's not that.
You said it was.
Stay smart out there.
Oh yeah, you changed it. It went on Ron Burgundy.
I did. Yeah.
You gotta get a little more sensual.
And I can't do. I haven't got time for any of this Mickey Mouse bull squash.
That one's a solid one.
It is pretty good.
But that's an opener because it's like, hey, we're gonna explain the news really quick because you ain't got time for this Mickey Mouse bull squash.
Yeah, there it
that's
is.
scary. You gotta be careful though.
Ooh,
yeah, you can talk about the bull.
Dangerous. All right, so we're gonna talk about some bull that happened here in the news.
Okay.
This just happened yesterday. Welcome to. My name is Neil. That's Dr. Tarver.
Hey, what's up, my guys?
So Mya Rudolph is replacing all of the M&M candy characters.
So, question, because there's like 5 or 6 of them in M&Ms, right?
Yeah.
So is there gonna be 5 or 6 Mya Rudolphs or just one?
No, there's only one.
Okay.
Irreplaceable Mya Rudolph.
But she could replace herself.
I mean, I suppose she could.
I'll allow it.
Maybe she should change their name or whatever. So
she's great.
M&M's is owned by Mars Incorporated, and they are getting rid of their animated anthropomorphic.
Just say CGI. Nobody knows what it means.
Spokescandies is what they're called.
Spokescandies.
That's legitimately what they call them. That's insane.
They've had it for a long time.
Think about it.
Like 20 years.
Not Star Wars. Christmas.
Okay, there it is.
Not Star Wars.
You said Star Wars. I didn't.
I couldn't think of it. All the Christmas ads.
Yeah.
Where Santa is there, and then they're like,
absolutely.
He does exist. They do.
Yes.
Yeah, they're gonna get rid of those. They're gonna have Mya Rudolph. So here's
They'll be on YouTube.
Here's what's happened. Yeah, you can find
You can get a Harry Potter audiobook in full on YouTube.
Stop
Go ahead,
it.
Neil.
Stop it. This story is going to take a turn. You're not going to think this is where it's going because why are they being canceled? And it's because of Tucker Carlson.
Wow.
So if you don't know who Tucker Carlson is, I want to be you.
I don't promote violence, but he has a very punchable face.
So he's a Fox News host. He took to his platform to talk about M&M candies starting in January of 2022, and he won't let this go. And he did this big segment.
So he got a thing for them candies.
Apparently, yeah. Oh, yeah. People are they're leaning into that. They're
he
making
likes
a
that. I mean, we talk about what we paid attention to. Am I right, Tucker?
Gosh, yeah.
Somebody check Tucker Carlson's search history.
Oh, Tucker. So he talked about these cartoon mascots, how they have this slight redesign, and he kept saying, listen, I don't know why they had to change the green and brown candies footwear. And then here's where he went. He said when M&M's changed the shoes and he's obviously paying way too much attention to this.
This is on his show. It's not like, I made a social media post.
Nope.
This is like, this has got airtime. This is important to the news or the fake news or whatever he does.
There it is. So what he said is that this move was calculated to capitulate to the woke mob about changing the shoes because of wokeism. Okay. So he really went with that. A torrent of right-wing outrage followed that because M&M's basically is getting what it wants, all this airtime. So now they're leaning into this and they are getting rid of they just did a Twitter
But how
post.
is that leaning? It's almost like he wins though because he's complaining and then
they're
they get rid of
making
it.
fun of it. So they're making fun of it. Here's what they said. So the company wrote in their press release, "We get it. Even at candies, shoes can be polarizing, and M&M's will not be satisfied until every last cartoon character is deeply unappealing and totally androgynous until the moment you wouldn't want to have a drink with any of them."
That's pretty funny.
It's so good.
That's pretty funny.
And they did a big post yesterday on Twitter and Instagram, and then now they're going to have a Super Bowl ad with Mya Rudolph explaining why she has to be their new spokesperson.
She's going to be funny. She's funny.
Yeah.
So has Tucker responded yet?
No, I don't know. This all happened yesterday. in the year 2023.
Man.
Yeah, this is yesterday. So this is going to hit. And the other thing, too, is you wonder how much of this is made up, but all the news stuff that he said is real. And there's this whole backlash about it. So, yeah, Super Bowl halftime commercial announcing her spot as the new spokesperson is coming up.
That's good. When is the Super Bowl? It's kind of like the first, second week of February?
It is about 4 weeks away, I guess, from now. Yeah, okay. First. Yeah, it's like the first weekend.
4 teams left.
4 teams left.
Who do you think's going to be in the Super Bowl?
The Bengals and the 49ers.
That's what I think, too.
Yeah.
I just think their quarterbacks have the best stories.
Oh, that's how they win.
Everybody, I mean, that's it is.
I love
Neil, do you know why sports is important?
Why?
Because people watch it. And you know why they have money to do stuff?
Why?
Because when people watch it, they watch ads. And they can sell things.
Yeah.
Like the commercial we just discussed.
Yep.
Discussed?
Yeah.
That's how you say that word.
That's how I say it.
And Joe Burrow is popping off on TikTok because he's Joe Cool, man. Dude is
hilarious.
great. He's so good.
Yeah.
And I like the things he says. And Patrick Mahomes, I think seems like a great guy, but he's just not interested.
He's a State Farm commercial.
Yeah,
now, I like the Chiefs.
Farm.
They seem like they, of all the teams, have the most fun. I don't know why.
They sold Tyreek Hill though.
Yeah, that's not fun. But they seem to have they get along. They like each other. The city loves them.
See, but 49ers, they seem to be liked very well as well.
Yeah, they do.
Like Brock Purdy is a great story.
Yeah, it's a great story.
Yeah, I did a series called The Brock Purdy Journey. Somebody sent me some free cards.
PPJ.
And back when he was in the dollar box. And it was a numbered card of his. And Brock Purdy started playing and he texted me. He's like, yo, I think I sent you one of his cards. And so I looked it up and it was numbered out of 499.
No way.
I made a whole series on it, listed it for $1 on eBay. And then we made like $200. So I'd split it with him.
No way.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's great.
I do love the story.
And that's why, because I made a series about him and I know who Joe Burrow is. Therefore, those two will be in. Because the world revolves around me and what I perceive as important. Neil,
there you go.
I am the main character. Just so you know.
I'm just a guide.
Well, no, you're the main character in your story.
I don't even know.
You really are.
I don't think I am even in my own story.
I think so.
I don't think so.
You're a Disney movie.
Wow.
Yeah, you're good. Not motocross, like a good one.
Oh my gosh.
There's
a couple bad ones. Yeah.
Yeah, motocross was a banger.
My kids what is it? Lemonade Band? No. Lemonade stand? No, Lemonade something.
I'm on this journey with you.
No, it's not.
I'm in your sidecar, man.
It's Star Wars or Christmas, whatever, one of the two. That's all it could be.
I admit it.
Lemonade Mouth.
I'm best supporting actor in your movie.
Oh.
Can I be best supporting actor?
Yeah.
I'm not a main character. I'm not a main character.
I'm not a main character. We're both best supporting actors.
Like the other guys. Like, is it Will Ferrell or is it Mark Wahlberg? Who's carrying this?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Because Mark Wahlberg is funny, kind of. What are we talking about today?
Hey, so M&Ms has replaced their characters, because animated spokescandies with Mya Rudolph.
Carlson is attracted to him.
There you go. That's why.
Wow, thanks, Tucker. Hey, see if you can ruin some other things that we kind of don't care about, but are kind of okay with us.
Gosh.
Like, I'm sorry. Like, I'm not political. I'm not saying, you can dislike people and not be political. I don't like him. I genuinely don't like him.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
I don't think he's great.
Not a big fan. I don't think he's great.
No, and if somebody says uses him as a reference, I immediately I'm like, I'll never hang out with you by choice.
We're not going to be friends.
No,
you're never going to be best supporting actor in my story.
You'll never best supporting. You'll be somebody. You'll be that guy in Groundhog Day that at the beginning of the day he walks. Ned. You're Ned.
Ned Ryerson.
I see you, and I look for every opportunity to rather step in a puddle than talk to you.
Oh, that's a deep puddle.
Deep cut.
Deep cut.
Deep puddles for deep cuts. Hey, Neil, you want me to end this sucker?
I don't care.
How are you?
Stay smart out there.
I don't have time.
Later. I already said it.
Okay. You want to say it again?
I'll say mine and then you say later.
You changed it, remember? You didn't say it that way.
I kind of said
you stay smart out there, San Diego.
You do later. No, I'll do mine and then you do yours.
Okay. Later.
Stay smart out there.
I like the voice. Stay smart.
I've been practicing.
I'm Yellowstone.